Let's try this word problem. A rectangular photograph is twice as long as it is wide. The perimeter of the photograph is 84 centimeters. Find the length and the width of the photograph. Sometimes on word problems, if you can draw a picture to help you out, that makes things easier for you. So we'll try a picture here. We've got a rectangle, and it's twice as long as it is wide. So for rectangles, we've got our length and our width. It's saying that the picture is longer than it is wide. So in order to get the length, it's saying I could multiply the width times 2 because it's twice as long. So 2 times. Let's see what else it says. The perimeter of the photograph is 84 centimeters. Well, earlier we learned some formulas about perimeters of rectangles, and we'll use that here. So the perimeter of a rectangle, we said, was P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, this perimeter is 84. So that's our P. So we do know one number that we can put in. Now, if all I have is that one number, I still can't solve for length and width here. We're going to have to use what they told us about the length and the width to help us out. Well, on this drawing over here, we see that the length is 2 times the width. So in my equation over here, instead of length, I'm going to use 2w. Because it says to get the length, I need to multiply width times 2. So I'm going to just replace that over here to make it equal. So my equation would look like this. 84 equals 2 times, now instead of length, I'm going to put 2 times w. And then we still have 2 times the width to get the rest of the perimeter. That gives me an equation that now only has one variable in it, and I can solve that equation. So we'll simplify this that's being multiplied here. We have 84 equals 4w plus 2w. Those are like terms, so we'll add those together. 84 equals 6w. And to get to w by itself, we need to divide by 6 on both sides. So then w equals 14. Now, that's one of our answers. We're supposed to find the length and the width. There's our width. But to get the length, we just need to plug that in. We need to multiply the width times 2. So our length equals 2 times 14, which means the length is 28. Now remember, on your word problems, you need to put the units with them. So this was measured in centimeters, so both of these need to be for 28 centimeters and 14 centimeters.